Hello my friends. Today I will show you how to make a bootable Windows 10/8, 1/7 flash drive. For this purpose you will require Rufus, Windows ISO and a pen drive with 8 GB or higher storage space. Link for Rufus will be given down in the description. Link for my video on how to install Windows 8, 1/10 will be provided in the description. Steps: 1. Download Rufus and open it. 2. Select the ISO file. 3. Select partition type as either GPT/MBR. 4. Click on Start. 5. Wait for it to finish. Share and subscribe this channel. Ring the notification bell so that you never miss any updates.